On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you how to take your desktop PC from this to this. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to install the Corsair RGB fan starter kit. So what I am going to do is I am going to replace these fans with these fans. Now you saw how they hook together and how they work. Now I'm going to actually install it. So the first thing I'm going to do is as you can see, push that out. I'm going to get rid of these fans. I'll keep them for something else. I just won't have them installed in the computer anymore. In the computer case, I should say. But I'll keep the hardware just in case I do need to do it that way. So as you can see, I am unscrewing the stuff here. Just like this. And these have been installed in this case for about 7 years, I believe. Okay, so now I have a clean slate. So what I didn't show were these two bags here. This one contains the screws for the fan. This one contains extra connections. Yeah, it contains extra connections for what I need to do. So if I need to make a cable or anything like that, that's what it looks like to me to make a new cable. So, okay, so here's how this is going to work. I'm going to put the screw in here like this, and before you put it in, you want to take the cover off. So, actually I'm going to turn it down so that it doesn't matter, there's a connection on both sides there. There we go. So I'm just going to hold that there. Okay, that was a bad idea. Oh, there we go. And it spins freely. As you can see, that one is installed. So now I got to get all four of these installed. There we go. that is installed now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the bottom fan here. I have the top fan installed. I'm going to install the bottom fan. And, whoops, take that off. All right, so turn that up. Put this fan in there. This might be a little more, oh, that's why. Whoops. Okay, there we go. So now we can play around with that. There we go. Have that on a weird angle. There we go. So now I take this, flip it around without breaking my camera. Okay, so now all right, so this one, the bottom one, I'm going to install the power supply unit. So this one, oh, okay. There should be an exit one somewhere here. Here it is. Oh, that's why. Okay. I was basically trying to install it into something that wasn't there. So now this one goes into here. I'm going to do some cable management here, just like this. All right, so now that's in there just like that. This goes into my USB 2.0 port. So basically, I can control this through the motherboard. I have to look into this a little further, but I am going to hook it up so that way there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to move the camera over so I can get in there. There we go. Okay, so now what I do is I'm going to hook this back up the way it was. There we go. Okay, get rid of that. So now I have to find the front USB port, USB, which I believe is right here. So, oh, and I do have another intake fan. Unfortunately, this fan is kind of destroyed, but for this purpose of this video, it is not needed. Alright, so I had to grab a light just to see. So now I can compare the pins. Which is, whoops, there we go. There we go. Okay, so now I found a USB 2.0, and we're going to hook the fans into that. Alright, so now I have the controller hooked up. I have it power. I have it plugged into the USB ports. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it power. And this should work. So I'm just going to put this right here. Like this before. I know I need to secure it a little bit better, but right now I don't need to. Alright, so we'll remove the light and I forgot about that. Okay, so I got to get a power switch for this. Okay, so there we go. I think the CMOS battery is bad, so it's not saving, which is okay. So they are all hooked up now, and there we go. There we go. I just converted my case to have RGB fans. Pretty cool, huh? That's how you do it. So what I'll do in another video is I'll go through it. I think I can control certain things through it. So that'll be really cool. So that's what it looks like. This cases now have been modernized. Pretty cool, huh? So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.